I was the mistress of a large plantation in Georgia. We had 100 slave workers. Many accounts of war only talk of men and military battles, but we women struggled on the home front too. My husband went off to war, and I had to manage alone and take care of my 10 children. We faced starvation and eviction. My world was turned upside down. I learned to outwit the Yankees, though, who plundered our land. I hid valuables and livestock, too. Anything to feed my children. Many Southern women left diaries and tell of their desperate struggles to survive. Slave women tell their stories, too. You can read them in this book, Unvanquished: How Confederate Women of the South Survived the Civil War, available on Amazon Books.